Indian economy likely to grow between 6.1% to 6.7% in 2013-14, says Economic Survey. Current year termed as difficult, but says Indian economy to come out stronger with good policies. Finance Minister P. Chidambaram in Lok Sabha predicts that the global economy likely to recover in 2013 and various government measures will help in improving the economy's outlook for 2013-14. Recent economic slowdown is a wake-up call for increasing the pace of actions and reforms. Survey dedicates special focus on job creation through manufacturing. Priority for the government to fight high inflation by focusing on incentivizing food production through measures other than price support. Fast agricultural growth remains vital for jobs, incomes and food security. Survey calls for food stock management and predictable trade policy for agriculture. Recent slowdown in services sector at 6.6% cause for concern for Indian economy. High productivity service sector not creating enough jobs, cautions survey. FDI in retail allowed by the government can pave the way for investment in new technology and marketing of agricultural produce in India. Survey calls for a widening of the tax base, prioritizing of expenditure as key ingredients for a credible medium-term fiscal consolidation plan, controlling deficit top priority. Survey also calls for shifting national spending from consumption to investment, removing the bottlenecks to investment, growth and job creation and reducing interest rate.